Hey y'all, thanks for cooking with Red. We having some fried chicken today, so go ahead and clean your chicken. I cleaned it, washed it, with some lemons, and now it's ready to be seasoned. Don't forget that good ranch seasoning, y'all, and your mustard. A little bit more. Mix that all up together. Chicken nice and seasoned. Now let's get ready and put it in this deep fry. You want to make sure that your deep fryer is clean, and you want to use fresh grease because these things can have a lot of bacteria. So I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh grease. Let that chicken deep fry for about 20 minutes until it's golden brown at about that temperature right there. And if you have any suggestions or comments you want to do, feel free to do so. I'll be out. Now look how pretty that. Look how pretty those are. Yes, those are going to be so good. Now that's when you're at the deep fry, because it's one of the best things time if you like the fried chicken like me. As you see, I like to clean those off, so then therefore you don't have to worry about a whole bunch of dirty dishes and all that stuff. So you're waiting for the second batch to come out. It's almost done. And then I'm going to add some secret sauces. This is so good. If you haven't tried it, try it. Garlic parmesan, Italian herbs. It's so good. And then I'm also going to do some of them with the sweet chili sauce. It's so good too. So I'll be back. And then I'll put in this container and shake it up real good so the flavor can get all up in it and everything. Yeah. And voila, that's some garlic parmesan. It's so good. You gotta try it. I'll be back. And voila, that's what we have. I have 3 different flavors: some garlic parmesan, some sweet chili, and some original. And I made a shrimp salad. And there it is. And I'm going in. And I'll see y'all later. Thanks for cooking with Red. And if you have any suggestions, comments, feel free to leave them. I'm open to anything. All right, guys, take care.